Dear KUKI-ZO brethren across the globe, we wish to bring your attention on an important matter. The KSO and other sisters organization is planning a mass rally scheduled for 31st August 2024. Recently, a voice clip surfaced in which Chief Minister Anbiren Singh allegedly discussed plans to annihilate the KUKI-ZO community. Despite this evidence, the government has been hesitant to take action against him. The rally seeks to demand accountability and justice. Additionally, we reiterate our long-standing demand for separate administration, which is in the form of Union Territory. These rallies serve as a collective call for the reinstatement of this demand. We urge all KUKI-ZO brethren, regardless of different locations, to organize and participate in this worldwide rally. Let us stand united and raise our voices for justice and for our community's right in solidarity. Nenghoikim Khongsai. Thank you.